guys, welcome again to another video. Today I am making another weight loss drink and I'm going to be using these simple ingredients. As you can see here right in front of you, I've already cut my cucumber and I'm going to be using lime, lemon, granny apple and ginger as well on this recipe. So if today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Billy. On this channel we brings you recipe, lifestyle as well as tips. I hope you enjoy your time here. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please press on the subscribe button and remember to click on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So as you can see right now, I'm just going to be dicing the granny apple. This apple is really good for weight loss and a source of vitamins as well. So all today's ingredients are really good for weight loss. Make somebody to go to the toilet a lot. So yeah, which is good. It cleans your system and detoxify your body. That is why I love today's recipe. As you can see, I'm including spinach as well. It doesn't taste bad, to be honest with you. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes really good. It's not like a concussion or something like that. It's okay for me, and I hope you guys will like the taste as well. I'm going to be adding a little bit of pineapple in order to give this weight loss drink a little bit of pleasant taste. I'm going to cut this pineapple into chunks and add it to the ingredients. So guys, I'm going to cut my lime as well as the lemon and extract the juice using this lime juicer and add it to the ingredient. Everything is set, so I'm just going to add some water and cover the cup, and I will be blending this. So guys, I am done blending this weight loss drink. I'm going to strain it using my sieve to get rid of the shaft, and this weight loss drink will be ready. Look at that, it's ready, guys. I make this drink from time to time, especially when I feel bloated. It helped me to get rid of toxic and I enjoy it. I love it because it tastes good. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.